the Sufi Heart of Love Mahabba, from human connection to divine ecstasy. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. Love, it's the most powerful force in the universe. Sung by poets, sought by every heart, yet often misunderstood. We experience it in countless forms. The bond with family, the warmth of friendship, the passion of romance. But what if there's a dimension of love that transcends these earthly expressions? Love so profound it can transform our very being and connect us directly to the divine. Today, we journey into the Sufi Heart of Love Mahabba, from human connection to divine ecstasy. We'll explore how Sufism illuminates love, not just as an emotion, but as the very essence of existence. The core of our being and the ultimate path to spiritual realization in union with the beloved. Prepare to open your heart to the boundless ocean of divine love. Part 1. Love in our world, its forms and limitations. We experience love in various forms in our daily lives. Yet these, while beautiful, often fall short of ultimate fulfillment due to their inherent limitations. Forms of human love. We cherish the love for parents, children, spouses, friends, and community. These are essential for human flourishing, bringing joy, comfort, and connection. Conditional nature. Much of human love, while sincere, can be conditional, based on expectations, reciprocity, or even physical attributes. This can lead to disappointment, jealousy, and pain when conditions aren't met. Fickleness and transience. Earthly loves are subject to change, loss, and the impermanence of dunya, the transient world. Their fleeting nature can leave the heart vulnerable to heartbreak and emptiness. Ego-driven love. Sometimes what we perceive as love is subtly driven by the ego's need for validation, control, or personal gain. This type of love can be possessive, demanding, and ultimately unfulfilling. Spiritual yearning. Despite these limitations, the human heart's innate longing for love points to something greater. An ultimate source of love that is unconditional, eternal, and perfectly fulfilling. This yearning is a signpost towards the divine. Part 2. Mahabba in Sufism. The essence of existence in Sufism. Mahabba, divine love, is not merely an attribute of God, but the very essence from which all creation emerged, and to which all existence returns. Allah as Al-Wadud, the most loving. The Quran introduces Allah as Al-Wadud, the one who loves and is loved. His love is the origin point. I was a hidden treasure, and I loved to be known. So I created creation that I might be known. Hadith Quds. Creation itself is an act of divine love. The Prophet's peace be upon him, Mishon. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was sent as a mercy to all worlds. Quran 21:107. His peace be upon him, very being was a manifestation of divine love and compassion, making him the exemplar of human love for God and God's love for humanity. The purpose of creation. For Sufis, the ultimate purpose of human existence is to return to this source of love. To know and love Allah with every fiber of one's being. This love is the fuel for the spiritual journey. Love is knowing. True love for Allah involves knowing Him through His names and attributes, Asma al-Husna. The more we know Him, the more we love Him. The more we love Him, the more we know Him, beyond conditional love. Divine love is unconditional, infinite, and perfect. It is the love that fills every void, heals every wound, and satisfies every yearning of the soul. Part 3. Cultivating Mahabba, the path to unconditional love. How does the Sufi seeker cultivate this profound divine love, allowing it to permeate their heart and transform their being? Dhikr, remembrance of Allah, especially Asma al-Husna, constant remembrance of Allah, particularly His names of love and mercy like Al-Wadud, the loving Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, and Al-Latif, the subtle, the kind. This attunes the heart to the divine frequency of love. Contemplation of divine blessings, Tawfiqa, reflecting deeply on the countless, ceaseless blessings Allah bestows upon us. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the gift of faith, the beauty of creation. This recognition fosters profound, short gratitude, which is a key to unlocking love. Following the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Emulating the Prophet's character, kuluk, which was a perfect reflection of divine love and compassion. His peace be upon him, life is a living blueprint for how to love God and his creation. Tazkiyat al-Nafs, purification of the ego, removing the veils of self-love, arrogance, envy, and attachment to dunya, the transient world. These impurities block the flow of divine love into the heart. The more the heart is cleansed, the more capacity it has for love, service to creation, extending love, kindness, and compassion to all beings as a reflection of Allah's love for his creation. Loving and serving Allah's creatures out of sincerity deepens one's love for the Creator. Sincere do a supplication. Regularly asking Allah to fill your heart with his love and to make you among his beloved ones. O Allah, grant me your love, and the love of those who love you, and the love of every deed that brings me closer to your love. Sama spiritual audition. Listening, engaging with spiritual poetry, music, or the sounds of nature, with a heart open to perceive the divine beauty and love that permeates all existence. Part 4. The Fruits of Mahabba. Living in divine ecstasy, when the heart truly opens to Mahabba. The transformation is profound, leading to a state of spiritual ecstasy and unparalleled inner fulfillment. Inner peace and tranquility, sakina. A heart immersed in divine love finds absolute peace, freed from the anxieties, fears, and attachments of conditional love. Unconditional acceptance. When your heart is filled with Allah's love, it becomes a wellspring of acceptance, both for yourself and for others. Transcending superficial judgments and flaws, freedom from attachment zud, not detachment from the world, but from attachment to it. Love for Allah liberates the heart from the tyranny of desires for worldly possessions or praise. Spiritual vision, basara, the inner eye awakens, allowing you to perceive beauty, wisdom, and divine presence in everything, even in trials and apparent difficulties. Every moment becomes a manifestation of love, its ecstasy and sweetness halawa. The Sufi experiences profound spiritual joy and delight, a sweetness of faith, as the heart tastes the intimate presence of the beloved. This is the divine ecstasy, genuine humility. The more one experiences divine love, the more one recognizes their own utter dependence and Allah's absolute greatness, cultivating true humility. A living light, a heart filled with Mahabba, becomes a source of light and blessing for others, emanating compassion, kindness, and hope to the world around it. A conclusion. The journey back to love, the Sufi journey of Mahabba, is the journey of returning to our true nature, what is the very essence of our creation. It's about letting go of the limited, conditional loves of this world to embrace the boundless, perfect, and eternal love of the divine. By actively cultivating this love through remembrance, contemplation, purification, and service, we transform our hearts into vessels of pure love, living in a continuous state of divine ecstasy, a profound intimacy and connection with the beloved that transcends all earthly comprehension. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this deeply moving exploration of the Sufi Heart of Love. If this lecture resonated with your soul, please like this video to help spread this vital message of love. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more profound insights, and remember to hit the notification bell. Most importantly, how has understanding divine love Mahabba changed your perspective on human relationships or life's challenges? Share your reflections in the comments below. Your insights empower our growing community. Till our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah fill our hearts with his infinite love.